has actually almost become like an epidemic, and it is something that we need to create awareness for and help the people in our country who need the support, who need the right diagnosis, who need the right understanding, especially people who are underprivileged and can't afford it.
My name is Alka Sapru Bisen and I'm the CEO of Cancer Patients Aid Association. This is a 53-year-old organization that believes in total management of cancer from prevention to rehabilitation. The organization was founded by Mr. Y.K. Sapru, Mrs. Sillu Jasdanwala, Mrs. Rekha Sapru in 1969. The core point for which this organization was started was that there was an acute awareness amongst our trustees, which made them realize that there are a large number of people out there who are diagnosed with cancer but do not have the means to treat it.
हाँ, सर्जरी झाली मग पैसे द्यायचे, रेडिएशन लावून पैसे द्यायचे आणि राहिलेले जे पैसे आहेत ते त्यांनी अकाउंटला टाकलं. एवढं पण आजच्या जागेला पण नाही देत.
CPAA works in different areas of cancer, whether it is cancer awareness, whether it is early screening, whether it is providing timely access for treatment to patients who cannot afford it, supporting them in a holistic fashion, whether it is ration, whether it is education for their kids, whether it is emotional support, whether it is practical support, and of course financial assistance for any type of treatment and investigative procedures. So we like to be there for the patient all the time that he needs us.
CPA मतलब समझ लो आपके फरिश्ते के तौर पे हमारे साथ में आज की तारीख में खड़ा है, तो वो वाला हिसाब किताब है कि जब अपनों ने साथ छोड़ दिया तो उन्होंने हमारा साथ दिया.
We also widened our horizons from just giving help to cancer patients. We also decided that it's equally important to create awareness about what is cancer, how it can be prevented. Now, if we look at cervical cancer, there are screening procedures that are available to detect cervical cancer, and now we are also lucky that there are vaccines that are available. If we vaccinate our girls between the age group of 9 years and 20 years, we can safeguard them from cervical cancer.
मी इथं MCची वॅक्सिन घ्यायला आलेली आहे आणि ते आपले गर्भपिशवीवर ते किटाणू असतात ते नष्ट होतात म्हणून मी ही वॅक्सिन घ्यायला आलेली आहे.
We've done camps throughout India from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, and we go wherever we are requested. In addition to that, we also have a rehabilitation workshop where we offer a source of income to a cancer patient or a caregiver if he was the only bread earner of the family. We train them and teach them skills like tailoring, screen printing, diya making, envelope making, and make them capable of earning a livelihood, thereby empowering them to live with dignity. Advancement and technology has brought in several investigative procedures which are making detection of cancer easy. All these things are expensive, but they are available. We want to be able to give those opportunities to all our cancer patients.
The entire world, where the world of medicine has tried to combat cancer now for decades, I think contributing to this cause in our own tiny way is really nothing, but yet it's a step forward.